In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website fit all screens. Making your site look great on every device is all about previewing in the right sizes and making small adjustments so nothing gets cut off or looks cramped. I'll walk you through the simple flow you'll use directly inside the Wix editor and share a few practical tips to help you dial things in quickly. First, head into the editor mode for your site. At the top of the editor, you'll see the options that let you change the page size. This is where you switch between different screen presets. Think of it as trying on different sized frames for the same picture. Each preset shows how your layout behaves at that width, so you can instantly spot items that need a nudge or a resize. Now, simply cycle through those different screen sizes and adjust your website to fit on each. Take a careful pass through your header, hero section, and any areas with text-heavy content. If a headline wraps awkwardly, increase the width of its container or slightly reduce the font size so it breathes. If images overflow their sections, scale them proportionally and keep them aligned with the content around them. Watch your buttons and forms. Make sure they're large enough to tap on smaller screens and that labels don't clip. Check spacing between sections so there's consistent padding and nothing feels squished. As you move elements, aim to keep a clear visual hierarchy. A strong heading, supportive text, and a clear action. Use the editor's alignment guides to keep elements centered and evenly spaced, and try to avoid piling too much content into a single row on narrow widths. Stacking elements vertically often reads cleaner. If you want to simulate a specific device or an in-between width, you can even add a custom size. Enter the dimensions you want to preview, and the editor will show you exactly how your layout responds there. This is especially handy if you know your audience tends to use certain screen widths or if you want to stress test the tightest and widest ranges you expect. Try a smaller width to confirm text remains legible and interactive elements stay accessible, and a larger width to ensure your design doesn't look too sparse or stretched. Work through each size, make thoughtful tweaks, and revisit any sections that still feel off. When everything looks consistent and comfortable across the presets and your custom size, you're done. That's all. Your Wix website now fits all screens with confidence.